Hey guys, it's Sahara. Welcome back or welcome to the channel. If you're new today, I'm going to be doing another drawing video. By the way, I will link my drawing videos down below and also the Pennywise look that I created back in 2017 when the first one came out. After I'd seen the movie, I was in love with the movie, so I had to do it. I will be using this paint and marker pad from the Dollar Tree because it's a very thick pad, and I will also be kind of creating this look that I seen from Hot Topic site. It was a Pennywise on a blanket, and I really love those colors and just like how it looked overall. I'm only going to be using one sheet today, so I'm just going to take it out of the pad because I don't want those drawing marks that it'll leave on the next paper. And by the way, it's been like a week since I last posted a video. Usually I try to post like every 3 days because I like to be consistent with my videos, but I scratched my face really bad, so I need to take a break from the makeup because I noticed that my makeup videos are the videos on my channel that gets the most interaction and that people enjoy, so I will be getting back to those, but for now probably just a couple more drawing videos because, you know, I need to let my face heal. So until then, I hope you guys enjoy this video and I'll be back to talk at the end. I literally just waved like you guys can see that.
wanna talk that give me the balloons, I'ma pop that big. You ain't never been nobody talk like this. Got them kids scared, but I pop them things. I'll flow too. Ain't that right, Pennywise? Got a lot of weight, that'll tell you otherwise. Why you sitting here telling lies? Let me calm down before I get demonetized. Poncho yellow, you misunderstood, you were nice. Look at your clothes, you look done with them. How the hell you a dancing clown but with no rhythm? Mira, pero no me importa. You ain't gonna see me on a missing poster. So let me get the W with a quick uppercut. Trust me, you'll flow too.
Quicksand. I'ma hit him with majestic quotes for the lost ones playing with the paper boats. We strike midnight, full moon, hypnotized by red balloons. Pop, float on water and air. Meet up in the sewer, we can take it there. What's this? Are you a man or a monster? It's two kids that you can't conquer. Dashy, let's gain XP. He don't scare me, I got the lights on. Taking out an icon on a rap song. The jump scare beats got your attention. Meditate this horrific scene. I know your weakness, thanks Stephen King.
So after mixing together so many different paints, so many different colored pencils, so many different markers, and piling them all onto this one picture, and then also messing up my background and getting paint all over it and then smudging it, which made it absolutely worse, I finally finished. And also I decided to make his forehead that darker blue like on the picture that I seen. Unlike the collar part, I decided to make it like a lighter blue, including the glove, because I wanted it to be more of a contrast between the two so they didn't look exactly the same. I just wanted two different types of blues, so that's what I went for. And this is the end. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, check out my other videos, and I will see you guys in my next video. Okay, so this is how it came out the next day. I just wanted to put this on here because you need to let the paint fully dry, because paint and lighting does not go together, and when that camera flashes, it will come back like washed away. So this is how it looks the next day,